Stuck in about 1 o'clock today, so we have a good few hours of daylight left before I have to get the motorbike. Hey, is this Hampi?
Yes, sir.
Ah, okay. I wasn't sure. Is Hampi a town? Do people live there?
Yeah, yes, this Virupaksha temple and Lotus Mahal.
Oh, there's the kind of village kind of area, is it?
They are
huge.
very big, sir.
Ah, okay.
You from?
Ireland.
Ireland?
Yeah, yeah.
Ireland.
You know, like England and then a different country, yeah.
This
Good man.
Ireland is my friend, sir.
What is it?
This England.
Okay, let's see. I'm very happy I had, and what? Don't know what it says. Had my ears cleaned by Johnny. A very good service. Really? You clean ears?
100%,
Oh my god. I actually always wanted to get that done. How much is it?
it's 202 years.
202 ears.
It's cleaning the baby.
Oh wow. Okay, you know what? Let's do it. I think I think I need my ears cleaned. Sometimes after the shower it goes blocked for like a month. I can't hear anything. Alright, cool.
How many days to...
Okay, we're getting our ears cleaned now. I think this one's the worst one, so I think this one's the worst, the bad one. Sometimes I can't hear anything, but it hasn't happened in a while. Okay. Is it painful?
No, sir.
Okay. See how we get on here. Probably expensive, but once in a lifetime. I'm going to do the easy one. This one must have looked pretty bad. Oh, it's not too bad actually. Surprised how deep you can get in. Ew. Whoa, that's a good bit. Oh.
Good camera.
Yeah, it's not too bad. It can turn off a lot though.
Yeah.
So far it's cold enough to keep it working. Alright.
How many days travel in India, sir?
1 month, 30 days.
1 month, 30 days.
Yeah.
Now the finish? When you start?
I have about a week and a few days left, I think.
Yeah.
Maybe like 10.
Yes.
Surprised how far you can get in.
Yeah.
Well, it's actually a lot coming out. That's pretty bad.
You from Ireland?
Yeah, Ireland. Born and raised in Dublin.
Yeah.
My whole life.
Where you stay?
Zostel. It's about 10 kilometers from here.
Is Anigundi?
Anigundi, what's that? Oh no, it's about 8 kilometers from Anigundi. Yeah, far enough.
Oh, this next one, no?
It's kind of in the middle of nowhere, like it's really far away. But it's a really nice hostel anyway, the people are cool.
Yeah.
And good room.
It's happy room.
Can I show how much is coming? Oh, see, all of that. That's a good bit. Wow. I can't wait to see this ear. I think this ear is going to be so much. Cool. Gonna make some candles,
Yeah,
like in Shrek.
You can put the candle, sir, this out, out, but not possible come in dust.
Yeah.
Out in dust.
What's the ointment do?
This is
Kind of
medicine.
lubricant?
It's
Oh.
no septic, no side effect.
Ah, okay. Whoa. That's crazy.
How many days stay here?
In this area, just this is my last day. 2 days.
This? Last day?
Hmm.
Oh.
I want to try and get to Goa, and then I have to start heading to Mumbai, where I leave.
Goa is the big place can you stay in you?
Not sure yet, to be honest. Do you have any recommendation?
Yeah. It's a Palolem site is good one.
Okay.
Palolem.
Good beach.
Yeah. This South Goa.
That's
Good.
South Goa, okay.
Good one.
I was in Gokarna.
Oh, first Gokarna. Good.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. So
It's
Gokarna to
Yeah,
here
yeah.
and then zigzag. It actually feels kind of nice. Amazing. Where did you learn this?
It's Maharashtra, sir.
Hmm?
Maharashtra, Mumbai.
Oh, you learned in
Mumbai.
Mumbai, okay.
But not Mumbai. It might be Pune.
Okay. Looking good. Feels very clear anyway, but this one's going to be really interesting. I'm going to have super hearing. Interesting. Oh, cool. Nice, man. Now this is the one I'm excited about. See if you can get a look at the finished product. He said, whoa.
This is no good one, sir.
No?
Here is no good one.
Why?
Here is the log the dust in, sir. Stone inside.
Stone.
Stone is not to real stone. All go to sand, water, soap. This is dirty stone. This here the infection.
Yeah.
You sometimes problem this here?
Yeah, yeah.
Bad here.
No wonder.
Just wait. Stone is not to real stone. Is not to sandstone. Is go to all time the box.
Ah, no way.
You monthly to monthly cleaning is better, sir. You say long time cleaning this problem.
Okay.
Obstacle,
Yeah.
canal, eardrum. There is stone. You say pull the bus, you cleaning out dirty. Not possible come there.
How do I get it out?
Hmm?
How do I remove the stone? Can you get it out?
Yes, but this put medicine, this take out stone. But this stone is a charge extra here.
Talent.
This charge extra.
How much?
Is 200 only cleaning. This stone is a charge extra here.
How much?
I show you then money stone is no stone don't pay you. I show you stone.
Well, I don't really know what this means. Will I see the stone?
Can first look?
What does it look like?
Okay, sir. Of course.
Will it be big?
You can looking after can understand you.
Okay, yeah, I just want to know it's not a trick or nothing, no?
Huh?
It's not a trick, no?
What, sir? Are you
That's it.
joking?
I don't know.
You can.
This is just a yellow card.
Okay, look you watch.
Okay, well, yeah, let's see the stone.
No, what, sir? First.
This is to certify that Mr. Babu Pawar is an excellent ear cleaner, that for one stone is 500 rupees, 500 only. 2 stones will be charged 1,000. Okay, let's go for it then. Let's
Okay,
get
when
this.
you look all video first, I can look in this. Start the video.
It is
you
on,
want
it's on.
cleaning? No, start the video. I looking.
You want to start again?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll turn it off. Okay, we're rolling.
Okay, looking. Yes.
Okay, gonna help me get a stone out of my ear from water, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Let's see. Let's do it. You ready? It does go bad though, in fairness. I thought I was gonna have to go to like hospital or something, so this is good.
Okay.
Stone, that's kind of crazy. Using a different technique. Okay. Whoa. Jeez, that's a lot, right? Is that the stone?
Yeah, it's not too really strong.
Can I touch it?
Okay.
Hey, it's quite
I can
thick.
broken.
Oh yeah, it is like dirt, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
All the
it's
sand, sir. You swimming
Sand?
The sand. You swimming the beach side,
okay.
you go to salt water, shampoo, soap, oil, this all dirty.
oh, okay. No wonder it goes bad. Whoa, that's huge. Okay, I'm a believer. I'm a believer.
It's true, huh?
That's the 2 big ones. And they actually feel like dirt, actually. Yeah. Definitely not just wax. The wax is doing its job. getting bigger and bigger. That's a third one.
Yeah.
Whew.
It's
God.
small.
Thanks. You're the man.
You can go into Goa, you just Palolem beach, sir.
Mm-hmm.
It's very natural, very good one. It's not too many people. It's silence. But going to your Mapsa side, Arambol, Kalangulbaga, very crowded. Very
Yeah.
crowd.
Yeah, I'm looking for the quiet life, I think.
Yeah,
the
quite.
quiet.
This
That's
is
it.
same one Gokarna, Hampi.
Mhm.
This one same Palolem. Palolem, next one Patnam and Rajbagh,
Mhm.
Kolam. Also 4, 5 beach. Ekdam wonderful.
Beautiful and chill.
Beautiful and silence.
Oh, that's what
But
I like.
they are going Shekeri, Kandoli, wow.
Too much party.
Too
Yeah.
party and funny. All people drinking. Wow,
Yeah.
wow. Too many Russian no there.
Oh, I
Russian,
see, I
Russian
see.
people is very bad.
See.
Very bad people.
They like their vodka.
Yeah.
I can't believe how much is coming out of there. It's going to be a game changer. So far I've got my teeth fixed and I've
yeah.
got my ears fixed now. I'd say it's quite a satisfying feeling. It actually feels nice, you know?
Good.
Yeah. Like a little inside your ear massage.
Yeah.
And the relief. Is that another stone?
No, no, no.
Just
It's
wax
just
now.
Wax, sir. It's only 4 stone.
Right.
Which
I'm
working
delighted.
there?
Sorry?
Which working there, sir?
Am I working?
England?
I work in Ireland.
This one.
Yeah, yeah.
Island is which working?
Yeah, I work government.
Government duty?
Mhm.
Very nice.
It's okay.
Permanent, no?
It's okay money, but they give you career break.
Yeah, yeah.
Good perk.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, it's okay job.
Good?
Mhm. Oh, whoa, did you crack my ear? Cool. I wonder if you can hear that. That's awesome. Yeah. Is that like the cartilage?
Yeah, this is clock. Is the van hopping.
Mhm.
Is the closer. Is go to air after you cooling the air.
Ah, nice.
This one.
I wonder if you can hear it. I think you got this side. Oh, lovely. All the wax gone?
Yeah.
Whoa. Damn, that's a lot of wax, huh? Thanks. Cheers, cheers.
Welcome.
I'm delighted with that. Oh, I'm going to be hearing so well now. I can't wait to stick on my music.
Okay.
Feel better. Okay. Look, shut up.
4 stone like that.
Mm. Well, how about 1,000 for everything?
It's 4 stone, no? It's only
Those things there, they're like with the same thing, no?
the 200 cleaning, no?
Oh, come on, I thought I was being
No.
nice. 200, and I gave you extra 300.
No, you want 1 stone 500 to 4 stone 2000, but I discount you. It's just a cleaning 200 is possible, no?
Oh, man.
Look.
I thought they were just
Yeah,
the stones breaking up, no?
No, no, your 2 stone can discount you, no problem. It's 200 cleaning.
So how much do you want in total?
200
200 extra?
cleaning.
What about 100 extra? Right, good deal?
Good.
Yeah. Alright, thanks man.
You have money is no? Going, coming, have money, no?
I have enough to go, yeah. I'll get
Have
over.
money?
To get over, yeah, thanks.
No, no, you have now money?
I gave you, 1,100.
Yes, sir, but you have eating also money have, no?
Yeah, I'll be fine.
It's not last money, no?
It's real money. Yeah, it's real. Thanks very much, dude.
Okay, okay.
Alright, have a good day.
Same to you.
That's a game changer. It feels much better. Thanks.
Okay,
Alright, now we can get to that temple.
Okay.